I enjoy a good sci-fi film just as much as other people. It's all good traveling around the galaxy exploring strange things and blowing up aliens. But just because an author can think of something doesn't mean it's possible. Do you think this can be possible in the near future with all the futuristic innovations that are happening? Or even someone in the past has done it? Today on SOETIAL, we'll try to answer, is interstellar travel a truth? Well, we can debate on what can happen in distant futures or what happened in unknown pasts, but I'm sad to report that we'll be stuck with our solar system for a very long time, as in, probably indefinitely. Let's get some context. Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to Earth, which actually has a small, rocky world and is just around 4 light years away. 4? That doesn't seem like much, does it? Consider building a scale replica of our solar system. Let's say you set the Earth 3 feet distant from the Sun in that scale model. Proxima Centauri would be around 200 miles away from that scale model. New Horizons, one of our fastest spacecraft, traveled 36 miles per hour for nearly a decade just to reach Pluto. If it were targeted at Proxima Centauri, which it isn't, it should arrive at our nearest neighbor in around 25,000 years. That's a long journey. You gotta travel quickly if you wish to visit another star system in an acceptable amount of time. You need a lot of energy to run swiftly. That is why interstellar travel is so difficult. The Starshot Initiative, which seeks to shoot a super powerful laser on a light sail, a gigantic, nearly flawlessly reflecting membrane, uses the energy from the light to drive the spacecraft to 1/10 the speed of light. It would allow it to get to Proxima in less than a half century. To make this work, the laser would have to consume all of the energy from all of the nuclear reactors in the United States at the same time, and it would have to run for 10 minutes, roughly a quadrillion times longer than our highest powerful lasers have ever run. Oh, and the spacecraft couldn't be heavier than a paperclip. There is nothing physically impossible about the Starshot. Simply, it's really difficult and costly. It's only possible by employing technology that is decades, if not centuries away from becoming reality, assuming we eagerly want to develop that kind of technology in the first place. Sure, there are more fantastical concepts, such as creating wormholes or warp drives, and while those concepts certainly have legitimate scientific underpinnings, most notably general relativity, our present understanding of gravity, the fact of their near impossibility, is also hidden in physics. If you ever wish to develop a wormhole or warp drive, you must first acquire a sufficient amount of negative mass. That is, stuff with a negative weight. If that sounds strange, that's because it is. We have no evidence that anything with negative mass exists in our universe, and we have compelling reasons to believe it doesn't. That was the video, guys. Like, comment, and share the video to show your love and support. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.